Hey guys, welcome to TJ Tech. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial of how to get icons into your design project or Word documents or wherever in a quick and easy way. So let me show you what the end goal is here. So here you can see that I have a text file here. I've got the social icons for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, but I can easily go and change the colors of this to whatever I want. Like that. I can even resize this very easily. It works just like a text file. This gives you a lot more control over the objects, and it gives you the kind of quality that you're looking for in a high-end design project. This is not an image that you're using. These are actual vectors that you're using as a font in your design file. So let me show you how it's done. To start this off, one of the first things you need to do is make sure that your design software or the software that you want to use this trick on is closed. In my case, I'm going to use Photoshop and Word. I've made sure both of them are closed. And then you open up the browser of choice. You can use Chrome or Safari. In my case, I'm just using Opera. What you want to do is go into Google and search for Font Awesome. Usually the first result shows up as fontawesome.io. So you simply click that. You'll get the page and which shows the download button right over here. So you click the download button, this window pops up, ignore everything. At the bottom it says no thanks, just download Font Awesome. You click on that. It'll download the zip file. In my case it does it on the desktop, so I'm just going to go ahead and open that up. You want to double click the zip file on Mac to unzip it, or you can do this, you can follow the procedure for Windows. Open up the folder, and in the fonts file, fonts folder, you'll find the various types of font. For Windows, they'll be slightly different. For Mac, they're .ttf and OTF. In my case, I'm just going to install the TTF file. You double click the TTF file, it opens up the install window. You click install font, and you can see that it installs it into your font book. That is the basic setup process. From here, all you have to do is open up the design software. I open up Photoshop. I'm going to open up a file, and here I'll just create a simple text box. You can go ahead and put whatever you want to put. So for example, I'm going to use this Facebook social icons, so I'm going to just put my Facebook account. And now I want to put the social icon at the start of this. So I'm going to go back to my browser, and I will search for, you can actually go to this website and do it, but I'm going to go to Google and search for Font Awesome cheat sheet. The first link that shows up on Google is the Font Awesome cheat sheet, so you click that, or you can directly navigate to fontawesome.io/cheat sheet. That should get you there as well. On this page, you can see the bunch of icons that are available via Font Awesome. There are many things that you can use. If you're looking for a specific icon, all you do is hit Command F on Mac or Control F in Windows and search for the icon that you're looking for. So in my case, I'm looking for the Facebook icon, so I'm just going to type in Facebook. And you can see it has a bunch of options for Facebook. I like this one, so I'm just going to select the icon, select it, hit Command C on Macintosh or Control C on Windows, open up your design software, and just go ahead and paste it right there. It'll first show up as this kind of box, so you just select that icon again, go into the font selector here, and type in Font Awesome. It'll show up. Hit enter, and you can see that the logo has showed up. If you like to have a bit more control and you don't want to have all this here, you can just enter the font as a text field, and then you can modify it whichever way you please. You can add whatever colors you want. So if you want to put it red, you can give that a color. You can resize this whichever way you want. If you think it's too big, too small, you can do whatever you want with this. It's basically a very good and quick, easy working icon for you. If you feel that Font Awesome doesn't give you the icons that you're looking for, maybe you're looking for a particular kind of shopping cart, and maybe the shopping cart isn't for you. So what you can do is you can look for similar icon font files. One other example is the Ionic icons or Ion icons. So you can go to ionicons.com and follow a very similar process. They have a download button here as well, so you hit download. It'll download the file for you. Open that up. Same as usual, unzip the file, go into the fonts folder, and you want to install the font that works for your system. So in my case, it's TTF. I'm going to go and install that. Once you have the font file installed, what you do is you go back to Ion Icons, or you search for Ion Icons cheat sheet as well. Here you'll go to ionicons.com/cheat sheet. So you do the same thing. You'd find the icon that you want to use. In this case, it's a little bit harder because they don't have a real search functionality over here. Sometimes it works. Let's say, for example, you want to use the back arrow. So you have the Android back arrow. Or you want to use the cart icon. So you type in cart. It doesn't work the same way as Ion Icons, but you'll have to try to figure out what the keyword is, the right keyword for you. So here you can see that there's a selectable option. So you just select that, go back into your design software, and paste it where you want to go. Now again, you can see that the box shows up. So select the file, go into your font selector, and type in the font that you want to use. So in my case, I'm using Ion Icons, and there you have it. It works just like the Font Awesome font, and you have a lot of flexibility with this. The same thing applies for any other font files that you can find which are icon-based fonts. These are the ones that I use. They're very popular and they constantly keep getting updated. So if you see on the website something that doesn't show up on your software, make sure you install the latest version of the font. You can do that either by going ahead and firstly uninstalling a font file, or simply just trying to reinstall it. It should be able to reinstall. It will give you a notification saying that you already have it installed. So for example, suppose we have a new version of Ion Icons. You click install font, and usually it'll say we have found that these fonts are already there. So you can just select the icon and just say install checked, and it will reinstall the font for you. So how does this work in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint if you're making a presentation? So you just open up that software, create a new blank document, and you'll do the same thing. Paste the file. In this case, it selected the font for us automatically, which is very good because that helps reduce one of the steps. Let's see how it works on, I like this little paper plane icon, so I'm going to use that. Paste that in. It detects the font on its own. It's great because you can just resize this to whatever file size you want. You can give this a color right within Word. You don't even have to import any images. This makes your file size very small, yet you get the flexibility of making this whatever size you want. It can help you in so many ways. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And if you'd like to see any tutorials, gadget reviews, or unboxing or app reviews, let me know in the comment section below. Once again, thank you for watching and hope you guys have a good one.